Qualifying dates, Section 14 of the Representation of the People Act 1950. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know the power conferred to the Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections. Understand the minimum age as on qualifying date in relation to preparation of an electoral roll. Explain the Section 14 of the Representation of the People Act 1950. Let us see some of the relevant provisions in the Constitution. Article 324 of the Constitution says, superintendence, direction and control of elections to be vested in the Election Commission of India. Preparation of electoral rules and conduct of election is conducted under the clause 1 of the Article 324. Article 326 says, for election to the Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha, one of the conditions for adult suffrage is every citizen of India who is not less than 18 years of age on such a date, as may be fixed under any law, shall be entitled to be registered as a voter at any such election. So we can say it talks about the qualifying dates for registration as an elector. Article 327 has given the power to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections for House of Parliament or either house of the state legislatures. Article 327 has given power to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections for House of Parliament or either house of the state legislature. In exercise of power given by the Constitution under the Article 327, the Parliament has enacted the RP Act 1950. Section 14 comes under the Part 3, that is, Electoral Rules for Assembly Constituencies of the RP Act 1950. Definition of some terms are included in the Section 14 of RP Act 1950. And one of the term is qualifying date. So the definition of the qualifying date as per the Section 14 of RP Act 1950 is qualifying date in relation to the preparation or revision of every electoral roll under this part means the first day of January, the first day of April, the first day of July and the first day of October of the year in which it is so prepared or revised. So the Article 324 of the Constitution talks about the electoral roll. Because of the Article 327, RP Act in 1950 is enacted, and because of the Article 326, Section 14 is included in the RP Act 1950. Let's recap. Qualifying date is that date with reference to which eligibility of an applicant is determined for enrollment in the electoral roll. Earlier, qualifying date was the first day of January of the year in which the electoral roll was finally published. Now it has been amended by the Act 49 of 2021 as 4 qualifying dates in which an electoral roll is finally published, and these dates are the first day of January, the first day of April, the first day of July and the first day of October of the year. So now the prospective electors can submit advance applications in Form 6 with respect to all the qualifying dates of the years, that is 1st January, 1st April, 1st July and 1st October, anytime in the year from the date of draft publication of electoral roll during special summary revision. Applications will be processed and registration will be done in the relevant quarter in which the applicant attains the qualifying age of 18 years. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this and click the bell icon to stay updated. In this educational video, we have learned about the qualifying dates. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos and rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.